In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Salesforce support access in just 5 minutes. Let's get right into the steps so you can quickly enable support access for your team or organization. First things first, we need to navigate to Salesforce, open your web browser and head over to the Salesforce website. Now, if you are already familiar with the interface, just move your cursor towards the top right hand corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the login button. Click it and then simply select Salesforce from the drop down menu to proceed. Once you've clicked the login option, you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to enter your Salesforce credentials. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you are logging into the correct one, particularly the account where you need to grant support access. After logging in, you should now see your Salesforce homepage. Let's locate your profile, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile picture or avatar, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select the Settings option. This leads us to a hub where all your personal and account settings are housed. Now we need to make use of the quick find box. In the search bar, type the word grant. As you type, you'll notice suggestions appearing. What we're looking for here is grant account login access. Click on it when it appears in the list. What you're seeing now is the grant account login access page, which allows you to provide access to Salesforce support. Before you proceed, keep in mind that granting login access means Salesforce support representatives can log into your account to resolve issues. Make sure you trust them with this access. Look for a drop-down menu associated with the access duration. This is where you specify how long Salesforce support can access your account. It's a good practice to only grant access for as long as necessary, so select an appropriate duration that aligns with your support needs. Once you've done that, you have the option to save these settings. To finalize everything, click the Save button. It will confirm the changes and that's it. You've successfully granted Salesforce support access to your account. This access can be invaluable in promptly resolving any issues you might be experiencing, so congratulations on taking this step. Remember, you can always adjust or revoke access in the future if your support needs change. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to grant Salesforce support access, all done within 5 short minutes. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and guides.